according to your father's tribe, destiny according to your color, destiny according to baby I no a whole lot na ya bom pempen sabi egusua recap kakra afa destiny according to your birth no na ye ko enim no ye behwe destiny according to your color and destiny according to your diet and afi no krakra according to your marriage and say bedika ye behwe na ye bobo kakra and many sia nana sikedwa one of the finest sia or Ashanti region and then many energy eshia kwan sonko and they engage ye dim punumpu what I say and it will be me first year made any question will be me first year was 0256998352 nana sikedwa one of the finest year what does call ewo sunsum and ahonam eni nti wo hwe me abomade ya na dwumade share na afoforo enya bi na won hwe na won so wonya ho mfaso enfa na wo UK, wo Ghana, wo Kaswa, wo America, wherever you find yourself, a good evening waha na won so baby I want a hoye saying wait me don share some kon e dia ba na fe opinion wo suggestion wo trim po wo bet me dia aba na yakenkan dia ma na ansa na mekosi ho no me pese dan de nyina say ye no ye recap of what we did last Wednesday and in sia ma kwa ba son kon right na ye destiny, personal destiny according to your mother's family, destiny according to your father's tribe, and then destiny according to your color and stuff like that. But and then recap of what we did last Wednesday. Right. 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 Yahuwah. Israel. Right. Nidin Dawson. Amampam Jenny.
Pekese damage. She adu ampon kwame.
She di ampon kwame.
Kwa isi amera.
Kwa isi amera.
Nidin Dawson.
Etimi koba be si asante mu.
Sa pepe.
Wow, so onyame na asase ana eno ye den. Asante de eno ye den. So ni asase onyankopon ni asase ya. Wow, and nana mo egunsa akosida ye ta frɛ no. Wow. Okay, so we did a share recap of what we did last
week Wednesday. You do a super kakra. Edifa onipa. Ntia e wo ba wiase.
Ntia wo ba asase we so.
Se enema bi wo na wa mu amfa wo se nipa. 77 previous. Na wo ya ne aboa. Wo fi a wo twa aduane mani dia ye pe.
Wow.
Kana man wo dwan aponche na ntwie. So wo to ne ba fi a wo ma na aduane di.
That's right.
Na wa nyini. So ye kana man a o yo ba na wa so. Before no be kwa fu. Obechin point, obechin
kusie kantie na
ya pese
ya bro.
Ochin kro hu no di bebu no so.
Uti ya otimi achi na
da. Na agwana be no abuntu.
That's right.
Improve. Just say what didn't be kwa chire.
That's right.
We mu anu waso. Na just say ochima. Na be ma afa no no awo. Utimi ton ne ba ne bi. No akipu bi. We na djuma no wo.
That's right.
Bi so do baby a wa ultimi ton no mo rin kan na ma ko kunare.
Amari.
Na obi hia bi dia e musu bi ultimi ton man no de ko.
Wan so hia bi dia e musu a ultimi di musu. That's right.
Kan ma shebre no.
No de ba asase so no. Ti obia ni pa bia wo de ba asase we so.
Enti se ni pa da sani.
Se kama kwa wo de ba asase so a.
Ye wo. Na wako nursery a we wako nursing school. Why your national service? Ya posting. Bosuno so ade waketua. Why bra?
Yeah.
Wow. O me go school.
That's right.
Ebi abe engineers. Ebi abe doctors, ebi abe ministers. We wo. O manu na no wasi. Asa. So, we are comparison now. No say who ya ni aboa. So there should be something about nipa
different from
a bit distinguishable We shall be known crabia from Kanamine.
Abuano, that's right.
And no tin young country young family in Yambra, or this special assignment to Yasmamia. I am Nusma de Soir. We do many who the nipple film. Me know me only aware, research how do I know my with me, how do I yafa. Any questions how do I bisa?
Yes, that's all of course. A lot of questions I said.
Bisa only part that say near when we invest. Say, who are you? No one my beginning. No one my beginning. No one house address.
What is your name? I say, what is my name is in Commode.
Me Musa say, what is your name? Me Musa say, who are your parents?
Who are you? Right.
It is only but me go school both degree, both doctorate.
Na onim ni su
am I.
Okay.
No sir, ni shape in Caribbean or yani aboa kana my or yani ojan epe. Because there's no way bit me so ojan say ojan who are you ojan bit me
amount the right answers. That's right.
So me person me bisa say entinipa dia oba ye kraba ye gi shabre ne ba ya ne say obenyini no Trad ye no wari no wo na wo mba so abeni nyina wo no ma wari ye adwuma na wo wo ni asie wu ni ayi wa ye kakraka edan na obesi ni fie na obesi agya ho no ntini main reason ti a oba wiase enti ye busa se who are you
you should have a tangible answer.
A nipa almost 500 I put you some question into them not a single person with me answer
the right answer.
Right answer.
Nipa 500.
And that means
we have a problem.
We have been limited beyond our human comprehension.
We have
our human status.
Wow.
Standard for human being, no? You degrade. And who did that?
Who did it?
And when I can't have a couple of people in India. No,
right, as he said, with this, we will go one day. We will go to the genesis of religion, how religion came to Africa.
Obi, we saw my questions. 21, I had nearly 3 days.
Right.
Or from me free Accra. Only me dinner phones almost 2 hours. But we saw my questions. My 21.
Wow.
Yeah, last week Wednesday night, you say Nipa say there's a reason say Yankopon the date of birth account
decode
so Oko Bible mu now we read the book of Esther from Esther chapter 1 and you could see the end.
Yes.
Baby chapter be read the mount event now it didn't kind amount the prefix for dates and time month and year sa event this year.
Right.
So Nyankopon nim de ne o man nim de fo o kire sa kire konkon enya nti aseni hunumu se asem biara besi na to onipa se bi boni bi papa bia beba onipa kwa so no onipa abrabo mu a.
That's right.
Ejina time ejina month ejina week ejina year
nti
obi a wo hweme ya document ni a onko be the book of Esther.
Right.
You coded.
Nana, we are doing a recap of what we did last week.
Nti you say nipa hunu die ye wo wa account a ni nyina hye wa woda ho nkonta buom.
Right.
And yes am nipa hunu say ye wo wa asede bi nti a ye ma o se beye no asasi su nti e wo se no so hwehwe akire na wuhu.
Okay.
Apart from say we are doctor, we are surgery no. And no dey your talent and no na dey bread eto open so. E ma onu abusuya.
That's right.
It inside say what room operation room we are surgery no. E dey pa na ka okra no a ye dey man say beyo. And no so ye mani pa adwene ba so say we say ohu na we ye.
Right.
Because and don't miss at the property na wu a ekobu akonta ama emu onya nkonta papa bi na onya ba bi pa e do kra na akota akwajo ahon.
Right. Now you wrap it up all there.
And yes, I mean, who say you will be to Busian one, I will say, a Busiano, so there is scratch at it. And I shall soon be out do a Kuta Busiano.
Okay.
And found on the Casapra with him.
That's right.
The wet me whom the obey your farm, over the negative Alberto. Okay. No wet me I left the positive Alberto say with you. Sana man a team for any actual for.
Right. Now, there's a lot of questions about a shade media questions we bring about intimi yano. Kakra I'll bet me yano. Yen touch on it and move on to and then your main discussion.
Obi who send me a question say, Obi send you a question say, me software na say me use me and answer me a comfort. Na me promote to Yamasum and answer me promote to Abosom because me somebody be no refer to Nananum and Yami, but I abosom from sooner or Mukomodi any fast line.
Right.
Minya no ni say one kasa can say account for asante for say before ni entiase wo yen generation we
kasa can sa asante for say before yen entiase wo yen generation
so o kan dagbani so o kan
gwan
o
kan gan
so o kan gan
o kan ever right
o kan amro o kan infantichi asantichi kusasi wangara yen generation we no youth no you relatively on my woman there, education 50 years.
Okay, so why
even 70, 80 years will be grow in Chrome Cassan and Cassan, and mammy Cassan, the man may come mother tongue. Omoki can be, but on Tiasia.
Right,
I didn't say, O Casset Abosom someone. A Cassa, but Yantiasia.
Apostle Smith, Casaba and Tiasia. What was the reason?
So you can't boss someone. Yet, as I can't tell you, I said, a boy so soon.
Wow. And the sense idea, if we Genesis. They have a wash us and they just say, yes, or a boss.
Ben may be a near friend. Adam. Now, some behavior with friend Noah. A bra Noah, flood no actually. Bible said, Omopi and see a boar affordable cheer. Emma or so soon in your coupon.
Wow.
Now, or ya for the book, oh, a boar so.
Okay. Abraham
so ya for the boar, a boar so in your coupon. Young coupon say Moses, Emma see a boar affordable cheer, and more ya for the boar so in your coupon. And it is a share the format now, nka proper Nyankopon to dem pon so the man yen before there. I was said baby a wo ye osum bia no, e boa for the butia. E present.
Wow.
Asori dan bia Nyankopon ma yesi no apanda dem no. Ye di abo e hye edan efie no asori dan no na apo e9 no so.
Right, abo no ye wo mo ahodo. Abo bia
abo Nyankopon kire no tire kunkum ye abotre. Ebinum kan commonly as abonsambo.
Dia ombeto ye ana ya tro abakwasem
ewo ho no
egusu. And they are Bible amaye no.
Abo pono nko.
Abo pono nko.
Na abotre anase abonsambo na edisi afọdi buchi anenko. Sa abo pono no. Mostly ebo aye frɛ no dynamite.
Okay.
Ebi nso so wɔ hɔ
parrot.
Ebi nso so wɔ hɔ saa abo yi mewura fi ne dimi ɛna ɔmo pie.
Okay.
Ɔmo wɔ tools ɔmo sɛ dade
pie.
Na ɔmo ashapen so no.
Right.
Na ɔmo de ayɛ atwerɛdeɛ no. Ebi nso wɔ hɔ edua odum ɔmo kotwa na ɔmo apae na ɔmo asene no akyire no muhu.
Right.
Na ɔmo de atwerɛdeɛ no aguso.
Emre court ye manisi na yem to aso.
Sɛ ye ka abosomsom a enye enne yi de na kobroni ba kɔ ye no yehu sɛ ɛkɔ so wɔ Ghana ne Africa.
Yes.
Dabi.
Okay.
First no na ye ni edin bi akɔmfo wɔ hɔ.
Okay.
Na kɔmfo a ye wɔ mo ayɛ Awurade Nyankopɔn twa bi ampɔn akɔmfo.
Ɛyɛ
a ye from the priest of God.
So do they have any connection with nsua setano pra ene de kaka
first no na ye ni specifically tano comfort enipa ntimase
right
na ye ni specifically pra comfort osutu comfort esio ya comfort esio kwame comfort esio afia esio kofi comfort dabi
kofi sikadwa
de kaka oni na sa those names no ne ni ehwa comfort
na eno the same
na eye twedi ampon Nyankopon kwame na nanom bɔ ne mrane sɛ comfort adu katayre damfo adu baafo ɔno na yɛwɔ asɔfo a yɛfrɛ ɔmo priest a kwasi buruni bɛfrɛ ɔmo sɛ fetish priest a yɛn nso yɛfrɛ ɔmo sɛ akɔmfoɔ enti na ɔmo adwene na ɔmo abrabɔ a na ɔmo de gyina mu saa berɛ no na ɛyɛ pure na ɔmo ndwumadie na ɔmo ne ɛyɛ holy.
Okay, na mbibia mo yɛ
kronkron bia
right
sɛ yɛkasa sɔfo panyin Elias sɔfo panyin Mose kɔ kronkron bia Bible na di adanse yɛ sɛ Mose ɛne ne nua Lewi
Mose ne nua Lewi right
na ɔmo yɛ akɔmfoɔ na ɔmo yɛ priest enti batakari na ɛhyɛ wɔ ɔmo no na ɔmo wɔ emusua ni nyinaa hyɛ nson bobɔ mu a na ɔmo de kɔ adwene ne akoma no ɛnyɛ kronkron na sɛ owura kronkron bia hɔ a ɔnsan ma but emre bi akyi no a atutena ɛne invasions ahodoɔ a abibifoɔ ne Africafoɔ ya sofa no a ɛsom ahodoɔ ɛne societies ahodoɔ secret organizations ahodoɔ abɔwura abibimam ɛne abibifoɔ all over the world no ɛna ma voodoo ne saa nneɛma no ɛne fetishism ɛne satanism ne incantation ahodoɔ abɛwura mu ɛnnɛ mmaa ho akyere wɔn ho a wogya ɔbaba ɛnnɛ adeɛ nti na kwabrane akyena ku no ɛde ne yɛ ritual ade akɔmfoɔ bi na ahyɛ
no nana you di adwin de chia be esufra but I think say ho no so ye me de eba ne sen na ye nananom na omo ye empire kingdom ahodo ewo ebibre mu ha na afi religion bi ba ya eye Muslim religion and as a Christian religion abeji ye manya so I think say brief na ye run some
Christianity maka na me say ka bi Christianity African Eshasi. The purest form of Christianity it started here. Far away Ethiopia. And spread the whole of Middle Eastern Africa. Until say Constantine. Any Augustine Caesar. Any Gregory. Any
Leo.
Any Queen Victoria. Woman ever take advantage of Christosum. Edison war a count by Africa, and the point crash pure wine and the woman. And almost society scrolls in your books in that point, no more editing the grey room. And I want the almost version
of
Christianity, no grey.
Right.
Now, no, never buy any Ababi because what the Chucky and Siabrabo and the culture and traditions now entirely so. Enti ama yen ne yen na yegina wo musum ne honhom de taachire ba ye na esom no it is making us more corrupt and more evil than who we were.
So
and anybody so yam you forget Christo ni a we ye.
That's true.
Wa odi tum e wo akoma ne honhom no kra mu say wo ye obonefo
nanka enye
awudie wo wadwen mu akoma mu uni adwene pa wo sene bayifo obi ade Christosuma kata na ni wo fie ni abusua ni enso boni ni kunkum ni nsawone ni awudie ni ose ya wodo ekosum nyina ho amu na eye
ye Christopher ni
omo be wie ye no na nkramufo nso kra be wie ye kire omo kra de ye more deadly than the abrofo no de Christianity be ye no e fa ye nko an eno ye more deadly nkramufo de no omo be sesa de before over 17 million Ediko Mecca and all the Arab states. And I remember where are the blacks now?
And I remember I think say right. destiny according to your birth no yenwie ho no na yembra kala no so ye won sem ka emre no so ko nti ye hwe no so destiny according to your birth yembra pay up
sa ni
when you for na some na anwe questions no
any two question I can back so the last one I make clear man only match
on follow ye dey be on so share na for so inside
ye assignment ya twede ampon me bia ma ye na ye no obeti ase no hu say ye ni ase ye be yira obi e obi akobon samji na mom no na ko de emusuakuo ni nton no na start chichire na hema ne na hini ansana osan ebe makwama dispensation mu no esom a ye Kristo som ne esom ahodo so eba be wuram ni nyina no all kan bom de build mold nipa de bless nipa ni wiase
right
enti ebre na duru say ye science sa na osan be fa family no any kingdom no bom ye ba ko sa de build nipa sa de share nipa no de di wiase so ase de bom person na henie mra na e wo say o prepare nipa adwene ni nipa atoma
okay
na nipa hunu say family na yebu na bonfia na yebu no say eye bone nko a na wo ho no enya ne kure say de ye narrate a kire na ya de atom na obi abusua hye nsonti ne sofu ne dinfo ahye ho nkoma ma ehu ni sura da ni mu no 10 years ni onko ni krom bi
timi ko ni krom
eyiye ba wonko wedding ba wonko ne nana yare a wonko ne ma wa wo mo ebie di 15 years enso mo nim ni nana
no so say nya bo apa ebi ana oni ska de ko ni krom waka obi ma so
enunti onya sika didi onya sika kwa asori eyiye ba otimi ko
na ne lo fe bo aye
fan club for eyiye ba otimi ko say sika nunya na hina
eno e wo haya ne bo anya de
enye sika ni woni eyehu ni suro
right
because abusua no dia ka fa ho akere no no osuro so obekom ba se wo da Kristo sum ne nka wura nyame sum mu a ne nka nyame ama tumi ni ahoden ne saa ne de enka ye wo ne ka fa wo begina no akorati de wo be hu no fie ho biara eye wrong
se nyame so wa ma yetumi se ntete nyanya nkire so
ena wo woni nyanya nkire ne wo fie ho no so no yesi wo kwa omo no mo ya so omo be wi
beka
enti ohun na tumi no je ye den
wow
enti se ye kum fie ho nkonwa ne akosum nyina ye bojagu omo so na be enti be de wo ni na omu wudi a nkan se obi ewu premature wo fie ho
enam kwa so mo mu wo yeti obonsam so yeti
obonsam ye jafie na ma abaifo ne abaibonsam
I take
control
wow
na ye di tumi na ye nya no Kristo so no nyam so no tete asore dem na afi ye hu ne ye de ye
and also it come with no power I say nipa kakra bi ebi asofo bi na bi o tumi o kwan afa so sum nyame anyame man da tumi no and I say nipa ba ko mienu bi na wa asore mu amoso mo that kind of power no but domna dodo na ni sa tumi
ansa na obi kwa asore a obi developer be ye sofo di for chira ne kan se nyankopon woyi na somfo efiri abusua nu enipa kuani no abesiesie no ama asafo no na ye nshira ama asafo no na wasan de na ma abusua kuani ni pakuo na oyi wo mu firi mu no
na okay right
enti ansa na obi betimi developer produce level no fa she otirim se sa nipa no wo
shase baby
wo who he is who or she is who am I? What me answer that question?
So who am I? No, what
me answer that question now? What me asore dining?
Okay, right. And then I feel you share this according to Beth in the column. You wrap up this.
Me person the party as I said. When we are talking about astronomy, astrology, zodiac signs, physics, chemistry, mathematics. Ade common thing Nyankopon de man abibifo
right
enu ti na first na watch moye na nanom nsa na watch modern
ofewie
enso osore firi ni dem no be gina bontini pegi na ni hwe soro betimi aka de
abo eno kwami papa atiase no na ekwa afuma otimi hwewie no say abo 1 abo 2 abo 3
ampa o medru fi a onkofa watch na esi table
so na nyawo na obeka
na dem pepe
me na make because I've experienced that when I was a little kid.
Very good. Enti sa niema we ni ade Nyankopon ye common thing o de che ye before. And it was say, dear, what more than when you was as you soon as soon maybe a mamma. I can't hear more from when you and no crown, Mamma Hawker, me room cacra. I mean, television here, boy, here, you see, Chrissy or baby Brumoha, and obeying him side and say, Bibi, if I say crap, yes, sense will go now, a beer. O pesa o frɛ wo nana bi na ɔwɔ akyire na ɔmba na wo frɛ no tu saa kwawa na nso no wo mu na o apie na wo ne ntimi edi nkita ho ɛde kora de wo kɔ akyire book bi yɛ frɛ no the 12 African tribes, the 12 African tribes, the true Israelites, unya saa book ni bi abrɔfo ɔmo bɛyɛ early research wɔ Africa ɔmo ɛse Oko priest ni dem a dan no say no wa ye baabi muhu e no de white okay I say ho e no de nwira white ase ho omo say oka obi hu asem na o pese omo ewo omo abedu Africa e be 3 years ni omo ntimi nko omo krom abrochiri sure e na omo pese omo hu say priest ni betimi am omo a omo de addition say de omo te a sure they have recorded it yes say priest ni fa ne podua na ode bo dan ho nwira sitani na oto powder gumu a ebe yi to ho ma okunu saa empempre na no ba bia ne yire nam ba bia ne kunu nam ene de ne meye ema otimi ne kasa emo mo hye emo mo timi ne omo de hye ne kasa wa abrochiri na obra na ote Ghana these are powers nyame we mu no mu hu ya omo dina so edi ko gada the universal energy omo je sa intelligence na omo timi develop television Uwa ha utimi hwe de obi ye no abrochiri omode ayefun a utimi no obi ye video call wow now yenko into destiny of it because any people say these gifts are common things and yankopon di shire bi they are mad before enna ko broni ya na daworoma obetam free yemu ekoye enna saa de na ye fa free ye nchen koye no enni ye nchen ntini ama ye bre edi ye nya because answer na kan ne ye be wu obi no wonim nipa ko a wo ba na onyem no oye ye woni wie nso so a bibi aka akiri no ye hwe ye ma no ye ma no wie a ya san akɔhwɛ sɛ afi kwantene bɛn na wo bɛfa so e wasasi so right sɛ kwantene ne bia mu na hɔ a ya san siesie kwantene ne ama no enti ne nyinaa ne ba bɛhyɛ sɛ nipa no ye bɛhunu da ye bɛwo no because no hunu ka okay enne ya me no ka sɛ ye wa difo a ɔmo hwɛ me ene nipa omo efolo ye omo adifo no omo asofo omo ko omo sori no ebi was a gift no say wonyim obetimi aka da be wa kire wow wonyim a unkotwa scan but obetimi aka abosom de do adi aka akorako a obewo no samebo a ahwefo nka kire samebo ye hwe the genesis of doctors and now say midwife na hwan dey say ha wow because comfort ban priestess obetire onuro ni ha ma obedi nwa kire akra obe nwa kire emi ma nsese wo de kan akra no okay wo na aduane a ensese odi bi da wo kire wo ni nyina wo na aduane a ensese odi awo ka wa ne de wo kɔ ɔte bɔde aha de wo to so na waje wa wo enyema mu ya dia wo ha ma ne nibuna a wasisi ni powder odi bi be frensuo mo wa nom obewo na doctor nyama na consulting room ni wo na theater ni ho wow and when we a common gift, I'm a person nipa I want to say we were blessed with it. That's right. And it is a me wahana me person me ma wu say sa ade na ye no broni be fa free ye mu ko ye no ama ye bra ye di enya no san hunu na ti ase na pa akire kwan na hwehwe akire na fa build your life na oseye ni brani nyina ende a wo ka kire mse me do ko bonsam di na me kire wa we ya bosom so I think say no dey endi enu achi ka say di enu achi anya nti na e wo ha de oba de ya we na soma say me kan na ye kan sempa no enu ti ye hwe destiny according to your color no ye room kakra me no ko onipa bia ye be wu bia no eda ye wo no e wo na ho fasu I can say color eda ye wo no wo enuane e wo saa edan bosu ni mu a eno na wo sa wo hwehwe akire kwan na wodi bro ni friend diet right now when you have the right nutrition now when you have the right energy and chemistry now what you balance ohun no kra no ni padua no in all matters in all spiritual fields. Very good. And when you say ye wo based on bosuni ye wo no ene na awotwe kra wo mu ene da kra wo na awotwe mu no ene etimi di hwe ma ye hunu wo ahofasu a ene wo honhom ne wo kra no ni padua ne ko.
That's right.
Okay, adentina Yesu Kristo Yeshua Hamashiach ye wo no no na o kan Bible na ye ne kwa so feel o man description ne kra wo look kind of entuma ye de chechire no o be wu no na o be kwa asemmia no so no Bible ne kire kind of color ye de share no.
That's right.
Which mean purple adentia Nyankopon adentina o ma Mose eye asorodan no o kire no colors ya onfa endura asorodan ni.
That's right.
Color onfa endura kunkrum bia ho.
That's right.
Color onfa endura abontene ho adi ho. And o kire no color emusua kuyo no mpanyimfo dumienu ne ba color obi ya mfa nye ne ho ansa na omo aba shiadan ho ntomadan ho
kunkrum bia ho no.
If say colors ni hu hia Nyankopon a. And all these things are recorded in the Bible. But who can? Which
of course is the manual.
That's
right.
And no trading pon can say me because I didn't do
nya.
And how?
That's right.
Because enka wo no wa hu fasu ye fita. But also color when you ye tuntum. And today be under so born in kwa na wo so.
Odi aduane wo dai mu.
O no mpe no wa aposo. Monday for yesan wo mo cancer zodiac cancer
yeah
woman no July 4 from 23rd June and you see 22nd July cancer 4
the cancer 4 ni nyina July
ana nyina July
okay
omo nyina no archangel Gabriel the angel of water in July 4 na cancer asin nyina no water element
right now share dwumadi na meka chew say bomode a share na afoforo so enye bi hwe me say nkofo bebre aba the video so mo hwe and enti opese woni si a edi nkoma si a na chi afan kuma say fa de Mamponten yes ho na chi afan wo gas junction and I say angel and Rokanji and I feel so medoma Advanced Junction. Obet me a phone number 056 9983 52 056 9983 52. See ya. Exhausted. I'm ready to call.
Oh, Sandy Pan. Set your woo creada. Say, oh, Yawada. Once, we are cancer born. Now we are water element born.
That's right.
Now I can do Gabriel Kwandi.
That's right.
Our favorite and our first color should be white.
White, okay.
And Sana, Baba light blue and I say sea blue.
Sea blue.
Oh yeah, and Sana day near one say on Yawada. What the Yawada color na yellow na beka sea blue and white color.
Okay.
And every time we are especially is a wo beda. And so multicolors dressing ya about one first year they bedem.
And only Dana Monday for no.
And cancer for
no. Right. Now me person say I do you every day be over that. What I'm trying to say is should it be a die war no and any time be over there be
suppose yes and one carbontia
it should be
colors no problem.
Right.
But so over down kwa dia I will say your clarity say can be either silver or sea blue or white gown and I said nightwear.
The colors that connect with your soul, your destiny,
spirit, your destiny, your star, your angels.
And that's what did that.
And also did that.
Wow.
Cancer for now, especially cancer was high Monday born. So almost had the different colors there. And manity through. Almost had joint problems. If you are better, so not in mind, go to dinner as a one.
Wow.
Or the best bay for. That's never ye. Energy no, Nejuma, no woman. Imbalance. Abem.
Okay.
If you haven't sent a 9 person, Bensena, a quan, do one announce or Bensena, a tutuno, do one a ticas, do one sissy. Obinso haven't said, no, from Yania. colors now they share that and they disturb on
wow. And I do on my the hospital ko high ho saa ko to ndra hodo no ndra hodo essay ni pedia
on say o konso a ene dia am organic drug chemical drug but me one problem no so nye problem was say o de chemical drug and so
okay
intibense na onya different side effects oni pedia ni
sa affect
sa awusu emu so yam profo a enuro ye chemical drugs ankasa so naturally enye mo oni pedia no. Wow. Omono said o yare se sankra na o se nsuo keke esi awiem ana o disibo suo no bosom pen no no a wutimi ton.
Now what if say nsuo to na osobi na obompa egusi no no so e
na hu betimi aton
ana wonya nsuo aboba yi a ya efi
tender
stone
no de to ni nsuo a onum ana se gallon bi no de tum no bosom pen no no a yare a obi betimi abo ho ka 1 billion ansane asana that simple thing betimi asana yade.
Why?
Because it is their nature. Ensuo na ye omo ayaresa, ensuo na ye omo bibia, ensuo na ye omo nkwa.
Now what if say ne financial status ne manko yi ewo ne sikasem mu ewo abrabo mu so eno so
Monday bonds eyem krofo a the holy name of God that a really Monday ne really sa planet a really sa zodiac no eye El Shaddai Chaya the all sufficient all supplying God.
Okay.
Paul said my God will supply all your needs according to his great riches in Christ.
Right.
And to some profu emu no yem profu anka ye die ni sika de enka nyom da
so
Monday for no any especially cancer for no omo na yetade omo ma etitre ni akesefo aware ewa ewiase.
Wow, a Monday bonds
Be
it a lady or a man
ne titire omo sa cancer for.
Wow.
Na so onye cancer bon kra no ye Monday bon a enam say Monday energy no e play major role in life no nti no nyankopon ahihya amane say onwale ntem sa cancer for no any Monday bonds no say wonye cancer kra no ye Monday bon a naturally no I was saying kawadi 22 years no awale.
Wow.
Sa white color no eben wa so ye Monday bon now the sa white color no ka asheda empire be bo asre otwedi amponyankopon bia no so ubusa na niema 10 within 1 week ya say emu 5 amamu a na se brenso
se me enyanso ye
obetime busa niema 10 within 1 week no ebe sha se se ebe mu nduru second week na ni nyina aba.
Right.
Womo ne nkrofo a adebo mu ne nane mu nyina ne zodiac mu nyina no omo mmere ene womo ayeyi na nse se omo bre soso
but dodo na e bre e wa brabo mu
because enema e associate ono na wo no onim ne archangel associate na wo ne personal guardian spirits guardian angels associate with na wo no nda no onim
even in
kala o se ode na adwuma onim
na busu mpanyi kura onim no
asa ko fast no problem and then you to know one day simply because obuoni ani dia na edda busu anim na da oman nim na da asore ni mu ana ye de ma mpanyimfo ne akandifo no ene ni hobi
right
youth nyanya phone kuta onim se one ne krom ahene ye pe
check obia
onye rura secondary school a onim se one ne krom hene ye pe onye rura JSS ya onim se one ne wo fa ye pe na so say ni adwuma bi no nya ka da mu dia ene ni ejai wati free
but naturally that wasn't how we were raised.
And yes, Anna, ye and before near come for
Yana,
yes, I know teaching if you know.
Right.
And unti so when nipa away, and no way we walk, and it is so obey ya, about to near my friend, and my name of a Plutia. Who the majority of the problems in the Shabay for. But Sabay for credit men your power pretty and your 100% success or one. Ejina nimdia winni. Womo so hu se winni sa na ma we munim de enti no ma capitalize e dia yodom de be yo
enti ebi wo pa there's a secret in the family you don't know
what say but one problem no so say enipa obamu ahu sa secret no wo ni no problem
obusu apanyin no
wo fa bi wo bra panyin bi wo cousin bi wo nana bi wa ye ne bi a kire ne ma wo no wo ankasa no
pa wani mahwe
na kuma mu ni na no wa gina ba bi akese
wa delete okra wa busu anu
ono na dwene mu no wo twen da e be frɛ ne sɛ ne wo fa so wei ni nua ba wei wa wu and mamenka we nka ho sɛ
right
saa mpanyinfo na enini wɔn ne na wɔn tete hɔ saa na omu na ase woni hwee no you don't know the kind of power they carry.
That's right.
And you ko ese mu yo so ne kire na on kan hwe but onim ye obeye wo enti nursing school na wo confession oti mu nwie ube
accident to have
well hu a school no be wie so tim family problem bia enti yan kasa youth no ye na mo ase ye pe asam no wo hawa ma ye ho
wow
enti youth no wa na ewu bebre wo hwe TikTok wa every month bia enipa ha mo we don pictures rest in peace be go no nkom no about 80 to 90% youth.
Does it matter our color and our destiny?
So we hunu nipa a we ye na hunu tumi ekura na hunu tumi edi wachi na hunu ade kura ba be no asase so a saa aniamo ho sam ne sam brɛ nto ansam no onye ani ni focus
kokoti
but
enya no ntina oba asase so
but obia sɔre ne sɛ onyametre kakra
na onya sika kakra
na adwene ye ne sɛ obia ntimi no
obia ye pɛ
na oni obia ye pɛ dabi
wow
witimi no obia anye pɛ sa
right now share dwumadi na e abrabo akonto dwumadi e na oni no waso nyina bu so a wo hwɛ no nana Sikadwa TV so e na wo hwɛ dwumadi live afei so streaming through FPN TV e wo asemia King Jesus aho ene echa kan wo share what in video so abon dey answer over share na for so enya bi ahwe we still on destiny according to your birth, destiny according to your color, destiny according to your mother's family and your father's tribe and yegusu a yeko and very soon time the person ti e be share time kwa aso e be share destiny according to your diet
diet
right
so what the color no to nchen ya
color no so hu hia mi o because ye hwe dwada for ye nya wie
ada omo white no say we obi a obetimi de white candle abompa ya ejode bia ka fa white candle
na ka minya ka me de white candle be bompa so ye Kristo sum ya mama bebi ni me bia di say ase e ya bosom sum ne ma me de candle ye bibia ana me de nkosu ya se akoko nkosu ya kwa ye bibia e ya bosom sum ne ma so
ko tire konkreni mu a
right
say amamre bi ho na Moses ebe ya ma onusuakuo no Onyankopɔn ani mu a enwira fita is one of the
enwira fita
prescription
and also yese ya bosonso
enya bosonso ena medi nkankan yennim ensam na ye kasetia no ena yenye adwene se behwehwɛ mu yahu
right
enu nti onipa no bekɔ akɔka setia na onya problem
ena saa ne ma no so do we have a special something maybe in some who be also can in connection with say candle nini these are the things you have to say
we offer can you do we are Monday born and now we cancer born fine offer can you do
right
why na onimu no e twede mponyanko
yeah we
ya konkruni no
yeah
e twede maso ya konkruni me da wase me am we ha bi dini niye makani adue en connect me e ma wo
kani adue connect me ma wo
na en connect obofo a we dini ma me ba asase so
obofo ade man
no me me brain free me so no nyi winsira a we bo me ba ya di man
now what if say what can they work here na or make say 1 or 2 words are still like
what they bo mpaye
from your own heart with your faith
kani adua we adwuma we na wo so say na dawo na o
manenye from wakoma mu
wadwene mu
ene wo gidie
from gidie mu
wow
na bossa mpaye no guso na de so no dwada bia
right
na ensam a opese uhu se emre mu ma wo de training nyina egu paper so
training na gu paper
na wo de ekoso so ne bom mpaye no
say wadwuma
de hye
wadwuma a gu paper so
training nyina na
financial breakthrough
say results no
wow
how it will tend to be after 3 months
after 3 good months
ana say wo de adwada bia pe white handkerchief ana penura fita wo de fagu tiri na wo de bom mpaye say rade me ma ho fesu ni ai gina ho ma me yie ni shira ni tuni pe den ni fashira de o pese won shira wo bia wo de sere
wow
now de bia fa bom pai
and Monday bonds
now the debia no dama ade ye fita emra the father
yeah that be say your next episode e beba no say esanwura Tuesday bonds na e dey e ho no kala no dey wie wo
me dey we dey wura ma ni program dey na
minyansa me pe because
me dey be ma wo
Monday kwa no I think say esanwura dos
o mo diet no
am diet no
Monday bonds
e agbelema anase koko
moko nyema wo
moko wow
moko
nana me pra no me kra pa o
se utadi moko a uda ye son ese
wow
mo eba spiritual and physical communication a Monday for common gifts
I know say di meko
enti esesen ka uda ye son yi kire eni so ade hunu eye fita te se nwra uhu ade na uhunu ba
wow
but moko any mojanam ya ntoto what idea a blockers communication with God any higher beings any higher realms
angel na
any angels
work angel right nti no Monday kwa na say wudi meko wundi
Monday jaimoko di especially
Monday
so the wedi moko amoko ni green wo o de pe green ni bi na de twi
green for na de nga for friend papa shito
mo but moko koko pa die
indi
enye ma white Monday for
wow
na
es a hidden secret nana ubie mani pa a hidden secret go na how about
limited energy
wow
Emma bread suffering any pains eba de we ye mu abrabo Monday bon
wow meko keke
moko koko keke
asem de mu awem kaka nana na ye nim
obi a wo hwe bibia o ye odefo a o ye Monday bon enye by chance no ye ono anante bra ye ne CS prophets pastors bishops gurus enya encounter omo boa no bie kwa mu ma no be ka kire we say instruction ba ko e de man no say mo ni
mokoko and what else then be
because of that no masafo no omo mpa abontin didi because onim mokoko a ye de ye nkwan no ye de ye stew no so ni dia abontin
right and the whole day and won di mako ana no pa
nkwan na nyina ni
Monday bia ndi mako
Monday born say ye wo Aries ye wo Virgo ni sero ye Monday nkwan o ye adro ye kodwa mokoko jai.
So if you keep this consistently best 3 months and I say whole year
I say energy is rising
energy now
limited no can limited vibrations
right how about your third shame
white
and
third shame
wow
every day be my white be and wo
obi timi share boxer white and singlet white
maybe I share top red maybe a jeans yellow be
does it have any effect?
Good because once I was singlet and answer as oba one that waist any braziers any smith air white you can you good
now I share any other color be account
yeah
but it is better
but
you put on your
white
favorite color maybe a blue
sea
gold
or white be and I said they born green there now they are matching
right
but me na can feel no o koda so una tin now dey that white or silver
I said and busum we tia me ka me kope ntade white pa
say wo sha ash kra dey that as Monday born abemboa
ash
than red and black ni yellow ni pink
na I don't know why nana dentina Monday borns their favorite car and I say wear gold white sea blue but they don't like wearing them and
black and red no
black red kotoko has kotoko what edentia
me catch you will be a Virgo and I'm catch you say natural emujanam and fufu cassava anya mama misre no I say but welcome because when you have a pen and I'm saying yes sir ta ho osin
so on medano
but as at na me ne kasa onya sugar diabetes or say blood pressure na dwen say e beyi e na dey ye no
right
and na me prove and say ye beyi on the diet
right
na only leaves and vegetables more
right
body na be restore sadly
right
ni nyina be free mu pedo no nya chemical drugs no
right
so ka yen so onya fanta no coke ni sa carbonated drinks no nyai because onno no ba ni nature nyama but you obi over I no na obi onno mo a epeja no ho ne ka
Monday bones nkophobia a lot of people I know they complain about cobweb
tenta
kokwana sin
eniama anya mukra no apedie eniama mukra no honhom nanim nje ho eniama mo guardian spirit ne
and the ye
mo holy god ne mpem kwa na mo de mo mpedie mo mpem so kwa ne baba
we say mununkum na say muntum they face those kind of identity abom so pa
na o kasha black da o kase die na wu black energy no and wo bi bia amfa
so ebusua no ebi won ma amo ebusua so won kala bia wo free mu a o say tabia ye wade I say ye wa hyenso na ewo wo ma
na de wo ka chi na no kra de ha na ekoye ene na mafo no bia ampe obi anye
because your kotokwa your flag your house your flag ti ebusua bia so won ne kala bia don't go there. You better come okay, right. So let's.
Omo de nkura ni ye omo de na de busia de beka ho. Busia na abayifo ni abonsamfo kwa no go for omo ho de beka na ho.
Omo kwa kwa de beka uso.
Na de nchina so ko no ohwidi a opunti o meka se na no nfie be yi na abada bi.
So it's good say e bia wo ko be bi na hintia na waka say me fie fo abayifo BBC na me fie fo abayifo.
Ya wo ko ye kan chere so mem ko kwa wa mpra ko. Baby, or not be there dancing. No, call the boy who a grown up churchman for the first time.
All right.
From also the feeling parcel, this is who could die, this is who Piaton, or police are
nothing. Nanosa
or cotton came, taxi or for police are trot row, cozy or for trot row, about crew. Yamin Quanka church only could accident. Oh, commonplace accidents.
But under normal circumstance, with me a polia and yet. Anything serious or hidden.
But when
it's consistent,
it kept on coming from a bedroom
right
to a diet to say we will be a bit of and not lock your door. We will be a bit of a day. And pass or coil. Nyanko Ponquanka, send an bonus at trap on number.
Wow. Right. As is a mena be an anti-master say we share now
Monday, Mr. Jamoko Cody. Jai Namuna Moja Mori, so very Namuna, very and Namwa with the attitude. But preferably in Sumunam, Nicosia, any beans, any cabbage, any tomatoes, lettuce, carrots, cucumber, a broadian, a moadian, and quiet Monday bones any cancer for no. Dan so omede be dan mu ko ne nsanwe.
Nsan so ma enya ma Monday bones.
Nsan no ohye ma Monday bones.
Sister be say club there yana petition na
obe started develop heart problems.
Right. So if Monday bones amo healthiness amo yaresa mu amo yare mu e na tsa
naturally Monday bones. Apart from say ombe mistake where the mu onu enka omo de enka omo ntanya na ombe yare a normal fever bi na yare Monday bones problems far do na tanya ulcer
and it's true I've experienced it
because of moko and omo ka moko
acid
moko
acidic
no masaka na ntwina mu a ya no sepe afra no mo sa
Monday bones also some baby and I didn't picture Sochi. Omoni omo de drinks. Enu me de.
Adoko the international school.
Wow.
We saw your Monday bon aja. And yes sir, all sabeti to.
And I said,
so
me are just limited. This is why Obade otutubuzu Nyankopon Yahweh no esuma say yemfa some message we embro abreni abenyina yetua hoka ena yede bro bia wonti wo so wo bomodin asa wo hwa na wo bomodin na wa share ma afofo so nya ho fa so na dia yeye no eso aba fa so na message na yede bre wo no etumi adu akiri ama dia owo ahokyirem dia ne sikasem nkowi enam na ne kala bi ana destiny ho no watimi ahu sia na onisia enya nkata ho bia ma bibia etimi kama emina ye bi then kakana betimi dey chat
the person be ma ahwefo nyina say
right
mesrew me obi ani ho ye Kristo ni nkyɛn me amete ha obi ani nyamesom ni nkyɛn me
right
but ne ɛka wabrabɔ no ne nyamesom ho a wonnim no na wade ese me famere ma no ne ye ni nhiam sɛnea asɔre kɔ no duru a wani bere di mirika kɔtena asɔre dɛ mu no fa saa ni bere na ti asɛm a me kan na ye ɛka wabrabɔ no ne Kristo som ne asɔre na wokɔ no deɛ sɛ sɛ woyɛ ansa na wafiri fie akɔ asɔre dɛ mu no tie me na ye
right
ansa na wakɔ asɔre dɛ because deɛ yɛ no asɔre dɛ mu no ɛyɛ totally different from deɛ wo wabrabɔ no hyɛ bere no ɛwɔ mu ɛsɛ sɛ woyɛ
right
ti sɛ wɔnhunu saa nneɛma wei na wanya a nneɛma biara yɛbɛgyina asɔre dɛm ahyɛ wo ho nkɔm no nyame bɛbɔ dini sɛ yɛwo dia no tam biara ɛbɛhinhim
okay
na abrabɔ ne anamontuo no ɛbɛhwehwɛ ase ahonwan abrɛ na wantumi amniki hyɛ bere ne nkradwa no ade baeɛ ne wɔsan wu agya hɔ
na no wokɔ a wobɛtua so ka
why not sɛ yɛwo a sɛdeɛ mɛdi nkanka no yɛakɔde biribiara ma wo ɛwɔ wo star no wo nsonom anim wo date of birth no wo na ɛyɛ w'asɛdeɛ wo papa amoa wo wo maame amoa wo no problem woanyini waboro 18 years woahunu trend no nti hwehwɛ akyire kwan na hunu deɛ ɛsɛ sɛ wogya yɛ ne deɛ ɛsɛ sɛ woyɛ no mmɔɔ na yɛ na w'asɔre no a wokɔ no so yɛ discipline
so
ɛwɔ w'asɔre no a wokɔ no Kristo som
wofi baabi ɛne baeɛ wobɛsan akɔ
ɛhɔ
baa ɛte sɛ sɛnea memfa no sɛ wasom obi kɛgye tia kɔ na kɔyɛ sei ma me ɔkɔ na wankɔyɛ adeɛ no a ɔba a wowɔ
asɛm a wodebisa ho
nti
ɛniano no ankɔ yi a wo asotwe ade bɛma
nti yɛte asase so a baabi yɛfi baeɛ no yɛn mu dodo a yɛayerɛ a yɛnnim yɛabakɔsɛm yɛnnim hwee na yɛaba ne nsansa na yɛ abrabɔ na yɛ runabout ama ɛyɛ yɛn mfomsoɔ
mfomsoɔ wo ba no ɛbɛka bɔsome mi awo no ɛbɛka nansa na ɔtwe mi awo no wo papa bɔ ka ɛkɔtɔ paint ebe painti fie o nyinaa painti mpoma nyinaa sisan curtains foforɔ sisan de mpa bɛhyi tie wɔ so
ɛne gye a ɔde hyia ɔkwan
ɛma wo maame wo yɛ no yitwa wo maame dan amammerɛ a wɔsɛ ɔbɔ ka yɛ ma wo no maame ɔbɔ ka yɛ owie yɛ no afei wo nkrabea na ɔhyɛ bere no wabɔ ho ban abɔ wa mo awie university enti bi aka no wo na wo sɛ wo hwehwɛ hu na wo yɛ di nti a yɛsom a wo ba yɛ wo ba no papa agye wo sɛ hɔhoɔ ɔgye wo hɔhoɔ ne nso so waa ne waborɔ nea wo sɛ ɔboa ma wotumi duru biara waduru awie nti bi aka na ɛfiri baabi a wofiri baeɛ no ɔmo ɔmo som a wo no ɛfie na ɛsom a wofiri mu baeɛ adɛn na ɛhɔ asɛm no deɛ wo sɛ wo mpɛ sɛ ɔbɛhwehwɛ akyire no wahunu na wayɛ deɛ nti a ɔmo ma wo baeɛ na wo deɛ wo bank adwuma na wo yɛ no wo business na wo kɔ abrɛkyire kɔ fa nneɛma ba na wo sisi adantɔ cars ntirim yɛ wo dɛ nti wawie hwan na ɛka kyerɛ sɛ no nti nneɛma a wɔda asase so
nti na ɛwɔ sɛ
yɛwɔ obi wɔ hɔ a na adeɛ a ɔsɔ ɔyɛ a ɛno paa ne adeɛ ɛsom anaa ɔde ɛbɛnya kwanta papa no ɔnyɛ baabi paa paa no sɛ wowɔ sika o sɛ wonni sika o hwehwɛ obi a ɔyɛ kunani kɛkɛ na ɔde da biara bɛn no na deɛ wobɛtumi ayɛ aboa no nasom no yɛboa deɛ som
wobɛsɔ no mu koraa sɔ no mu wowɔ sika bi a wode bɛkyɛ no atɔ
obi wɔ hɔ a ne hyɛ berɛ ne nkrabea mu nyinaa na deɛ ɛyɛ important paa ɔyɛ a
obenya breakthrough
ɔbɛsan nya akonta papa akɔbu ano nso
wow right nana mmerɛ na yɛ big yɛsɔre dɛn na wobɛka ɛde twa toɔ na yɛnsɔre dwumadi nso
deɛ meka twa toɔ ne sɛ
destiny color no
onipa biara
are we done with the destiny color
sɛ wo sɛ yɛbɛba abɛtoa so Tuesdays and other days
sure nti Monday de yɛmfa nsi hɔ no yɛwie hɔ no
nti yɛmfa ɔmo nsi ha
okay
sɛ obi ɛyɛ Monday born na ɔnte biribi ase a ɔmfa me number no ɔmfrɛ me
right
but now say on me chat to WhatsApp and I won't find the problem any question into Facebook
right
comment section I will check and address it to the
right which point
me wo meduma this Abbas Junction
okay
yeah you share me ya before that
right
and I said man pontin Eden Petroleum and I said Gas Junction right and I said Rock and School the whole baby of the city and a friend remember pick you name come over there you do office near income
right now and then dwumadie no a yɛde brɛ no ɛyɛ abrabɔ akwantuo dwumadie mene the seer of our time Nana Sikadwa just one of the finest here yɛno yɛnya no Ashanti region Elohim Kingdom Temple general overseer a osan yesia wado sukọ ewo honhom ne honam ena edi dwumadi mosomfo nyame kese na edi dwumadi chiame ende mafa emre kakra aka emre no ho enam se eja ese ofin hu so de na nti we de mo ne beche na me adma next week yebedi emre so na bibia ay kama encha enkoma me maame a o ha ma doctors a wo boutique e wo asemi akiji sese ya barber salon e ka ho e wo fidua we mu ama encha so kon enkoma ba bibia wo bia na on ma ho ni na on chewa shemu se na dane de nyina wonya bia o ma ye udidi ma ye bidi no na bibia enkoye na enye kama so fama kwan so nkoso encha enkoma MCA na fe so omo e boy chidom mpanifo wo FPN TV encha so kwa komo bibia me do bibia